Estetica offers one universal wig grip, made to work seamlessly with our classic wig caps. It helps ensure a snug, secure fit by providing a slip-free hold to keep your wig in place. It's especially helpful for long wear days, minimal hair underneath, or when you want added stability without adhesive. Made with soft, breathable fabric, it's gentle on the scalp for extended wear and offers a customizable fit for lasting comfort and security. To put it on, place your grip over your head like a headband, positioning it slightly behind your natural hairline. For correct positioning, the folded side should sit along your hairline, with the Velcro facing up and the loop side tucked underneath the hook side. Then adjust it so it feels snug but comfortable. Once it's on, place your wig right over it and adjust as needed. Wearing a wig grip is a simple way to add extra security and comfort while keeping that natural look with your favorite Estetica style. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for all things Estetica, tips, tutorials, and everything you might need to make the most out of your wig collection.